All right, greetings punters. Ben here, the return of Big Sexy, and we are going to draw Tyler's XM266 signed by Claremont. We are setting up. Try that again. Setting up. All right, we are going live. Alrighty, currently 9:46 a.m. World clock says 9:46 a.m. Let's go up and see how many spots we've got. 32. Nice. Tyler, use real names, fuck's sake. Alright. Randomizer. We had 32 spots. We have that all looks pretty good. 32 spots. 3 dice roll. Nice and easy. 4, 6, 7. 1 and 2 is 3, and 4 is 7. Alright, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I think 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, 2 to go. 6, descend, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, next one's for the wins. All going to fit on my screen, so there'll be no slow reveal. Good luck, everyone. All right, Garth, congrats, mate. 7 times. 7 times. Excellent. Great job, Garth. We are done. We're done, spell that right. Garth, get in contact with Tyler if you can. Thanks very much for playing, everyone. Catch you next time.